Punjab State Grievance Redressal System. The purpose of this training content is to onboard the department on PGRS application itself. Please follow the sequence of steps as we are demonstrating this with the help of an example of Agriculture Department. So initiating with step 1, that is login to the PGRS admin application. Please enter the link www.governance.punjab.gov.in:83. Now enter your username and password and click on login button. Now you will be redirected to home page. In the menu on the left, there are two items, user management and category management. Now we will see how to assign roles to the following users so that they can resolve the complaints. The following users are Cabinet Minister, Admin Secretary, HOD, State Nodal Officer, District Nodal Officer and Reporting Officer. Coming to step 3, now click on Search sub-menu. A search page will appear in front of you. Please search the employee using given parameters like HRMS ID, name, username, role, etc. and assign a role as mentioned above. After clicking on Search Employee, a list will be displayed and there is also provision to export the employees list in XLS format. Identify the employee from the list and click on Manage. Now a new screen will be opened and you have to click on New Role. Now select Application as Grievance. Then select your respective administrator department. Select your respective stakeholder. Then select the role to be assigned to the employee and then select district. Please note, for all the state level users, always select Chandigarh as district. For others, select respective districts. Click on Save button. Repeat the same process for all other state, district level officers which you have seen earlier. To view the profile, click on Profile and Password and get the full profile information including username, and also you can have an option to change the password. Now, if you want to relieve an employee from an existing role, then follow the upcoming process. After clicking on Work Charge, and then a screen will appear with assigned roles, then please click on Relieve button against the assigned role to relieve the employee of that role. Now you have gone through the process of assigning and relieving the employee of the particular role. Now let's proceed with Category Management. Click on Category Management. A new screen will appear and there is a button New Category in the upper right corner. Please click on New Category to add a category. Now select None for all the main categories from the Category drop-down. Enter category title in English and in local language. Now enable the checkbox. Click on Save. Now further, to end subcategory, first select main category as added before and then you can enter the subcategory. Thank you for watching this.